Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 46. One measure for financing a country's balance of payment deficit is through A. Export diversification, B. Import substitution, C. Short-term borrowing from IMF, D. Internal borrowing from commercial banks. So, the concept we are looking at here is balance of payment deficit. Balance of payments deficit for a country. So what we are trying to look at here is how a country can finance itself when it is experiencing balance of payment deficit. So balance of payment deficit, the concept means when a country imports more goods, services, and capital than it exports. So in short form, imports of that country is greater than exports. Now, as you would guess, because they import more, they will spend more money on import and they won't be able to generate enough revenue to cover up for the deficit via exports. So the economy, of course, will be affected. Now, there are ways to finance this type of country. One of those ways is to borrow from other countries. Another useful way is to borrow from the IMF. The IMF is the International Monetary Fund. So they could borrow short term to finance the country. So borrowing from IMF is option C. Short-term borrowing from IMF is reflected as option C. Therefore, the correct answer in this among the options is C. Short-term borrowing from IMF. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.